nightmares in my head. I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, no, this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, some losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like
YouTube. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Two Wheel Family. We had a blast, guys. I'll tell you, this was my first time actually riding the bike in race mode. You know, when my wife bought it for me, we didn't realize the original owner, they had it in pretty much wet mode. So now, man, hey, this thing rips. I was telling my wife, I was like, I really wanted to take it to the back road now to do some drag pulls, but she told me to save that for another video. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for that, guys, because I can tell down low, this thing is a monster. I honestly feel like this will outpull the Daytona 675 from a dig. So I'm super excited to actually do a proper full throttle video on this bike, you know, pretty much on the back roads one day, pretty soon, because I want to feel it. I can tell you right now, it's hard to keep the front wheel down in first gear in race mode. Right. So I will tell you that.
But could we take a minute to admire the new theme to the
Thank you, little mama. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna lie, guys, this theme took me a long time. It honestly took me like a couple weeks to finish. So
it is,
and most of it wasn't the placement that took so long. It was just the mental thought behind making this theme different. Exactly. Just try to do as many different designs as we could on one bike. And it looks pretty wicked. I'll tell you, it's getting a lot of attention out here.
Oh, yes.
This bike is getting a lot of attention. I've actually had a lot of people tell me that they love this design and that it goes super hard. Yeah. So, yep. But yeah, definitely stay tuned, guys. As the next few videos that will be popping up are the $150 CBR 600 RR 2015 first startup. Yes. And then we will also, me and my wife, we're going to be doing an update video on my 2017 CBR 1000 because I have to get the bearings replaced. I got to go ahead and replace those. I tried to tighten them and it's already at max torque. So it's pretty clear that the bearings, the roller bearings, are shot in my CBR 1000. But man, I'll tell you right now, man, for what this little bike is, it pulls like a freight train. And if someone's not used to torque, I can see how they can get hurt on even an 899, especially in race mode, ripping the throttle in first as hard, like as quick as they can. It just comes up super fast. So I love it. But yeah, guys, we love you so much. We appreciate the support. Stay tuned, y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Peace.